Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on Kava. Only few hours are left in Kava 9 mainnet upgrade, and we can see that the price line is out of a very big resistance. And I'm expecting that even after this event, the price line will continue its move to the upside because this was a really very big resistance that Kava has broken out. So let's start the analysis. But before this, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. First of all, I would like to share my previous analysis with you. Recently, I shared two major ideas on Kava with my members at the Patreon. First was this harmonic move. That was a very big harmonic bullish reversal Gartley move. Another one was a breakout from this very big triangle. Now, let me to show you first this Gartley move that I shared on 25th of December. And you can see at that time the price line was after the completion of this Gartley, it tested the 100 simple moving average on the weekly time frame chart, very strong support. And at that time, it was moving approximately at $4. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line has rallied very well, and it is really, very close to hit these sell targets that I have defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this Gartley, starting from $5.98 and goes to $8.09. Then I shared the next idea that I also shared in my previous video with you as well, and that was a big breakout from this triangle on the weekly time frame. This Gartley move was also formed on the weekly time frame, and this breakout is also happened on the weekly time frame chart as well. And you can see at that time it was moving at $4.90, and our first target as per this big triangle are from $6.85. The second target can be $8.73, and the final target can be here at $10.40. And I strongly believe that the price line can hit this target, and I'll show you why it can reach this target very soon. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line so far has rallied well from $4.90 to $5.82, and soon it will hit the first target as well. Now, let's move to the weekly live time frame chart. Then here we can see that RSI has crossed up the 50 level, and there is a still hidden bullish divergence on this chart. As I told you in my previous video as well, the price line is forming higher low than previous low, and if we take a look at the RSI, RSI is forming a lower than previous low. So there is also a very big hidden bullish divergence that is indicating to the continuation of this move to the upside. Now, if we switch to the daily life time frame chart, then here price line has found an uptrend line resistance, and this is the resistance, and here we have the support, and this is the formation of another up channel, and the price line is moving between the support and resistance of this channel. And you can see that it is testing the resistance more than the support. The more it will test the resistance, the more there will be chances for the breakout, and I'm expecting that soon it can break out this resistance as well. Now, if I switch back to the weekly time frame chart, then we can see that the price line is again above the exponential moving average 21. Previously, we have seen that when we were here, the price line crossed up the EM at 21 here. After that, it rallied more than 646%. And after that, again, we had another breakout. When the price line crossed up or broke out the EM at 21, we had more than 320% rally. And again, price line here in the month of July 2021 broke out this exponential moving average 21, and we had more than 100% move. Right now, we have just broken out this exponential moving average 21, and at this time, it is having some correction. So I'm expecting that this time, it can, after some correction, it can start a really very big move. Now, if we place another trend line here, I am just going to connect all these candlesticks. Then we can see that we have a rejection here and here and here and here as well. So there is a very big broadening wedge formation, and the price line, every time whenever the price line is getting bounced by this support, it is forming higher than previous high. So according to this pattern, for example, if the price line hits here, that will be approximately this target that I'm expecting as per this triangle, that is $10.40. This target that I mentioned here, and you can see that this target, for example, if the price line hits here, is also approximately at $10.40 or 50 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.